We will need 1/4 cup sugar, 3/4 cup water, 3/4 cup mango pulp, 3/4 cup heavy whipping cream, and 2.5 teaspoons powdered gelatin. With mango pulp on medium heat, add the water and sprinkle the gelatin over the top. Stir the ingredients well until incorporated together and the gelatin has been dissolved. Add the sugar and continue stirring for another minute or two. Then lower the heat and pour in the heavy whipping cream, mixing until thoroughly combined. Let the panna cotta mixture come down to room temperature. I used champagne glasses to present my panna cotta, then refrigerate for 3 to 4 hours. For garnishing, I topped the panna cotta with whipped cream and some mango pieces. This season, enjoy mango panna cotta.